Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Tarot, guys. So we will be having love message, which is pick a card po. Meron po tayong set A, B, and C. So before choosing kung ano yung nais ninyo, just do a little meditation. Maybe you can close your eyes, inhale, exhale, tapos kung ano yung set na kung saan kayo madraw. Okay, so that you can resonate well or maybe message or guidance para sa inyong love life. Okay? So, mag-start po tayo sa set A. Diyan lang yan. Hindi ko na sila aalisin pa. For set A, love message para sa inyo. So, we have here 1 oracle card and 3 tarot cards. Overthinking. Playing negative scenarios in your head is creating issues which weren't there at first. So, ibig sabihin, nag-overthink kayo, no? Especially dito, yung iba na LDR ang relationship nila. Siyempre, hindi nyo palaging kasama at nakikita yung person. So, minsan nag-overthink kayo. No, LDR, pwedeng nandito rin naman sa sariling bansa, magkalayo lang talaga. Or pwede rin naman nasa ibang bansa yung person. So, minsan talagang hindi may iwasan mag-overthink. Hindi lang makapag-message. Pwede kasing busy, nag-overthink na. Ang dami ng mga negatibong mga nasa isip. Pero yung iba naman talaga, hindi naman totoo or hindi naman talaga nangyayari. So, nagkikreate lang siya ng issues. So, we have here the Sun, Page of Wands, and Nine of Wands. Etong Nine of Wands na to, so ibig sabihin parang masyado kang nagsiset ng boundaries just to protect yourself from being hurt and not taking too much risk. Ang guide dito, you must be, always think positive. Especially kung wala naman talagang, iba kasi intuition, sa iba naman yung sa overthinking lang. Okay, so yung Sun dito means just always be positive, especially kapag alam mo naman yung person na yun is sincere to you. Okay, yung Page of Wands dito signifies that your person has so much desire on you. Kaya stop overthinking and always think positive with your person and trust. Yun yung kailangan. Okay? So, doon na po tayo sa set B. Message, reaching your goal. Everything you want from this connection will manifest in the near future. Ayan, no, reaching your goal. Nako, mag-manifest na yun in the near future. Ano ba yung goal mo sa relationship ninyo? Lovers, Two of Wands, King of Cups. So, King of Cups dito means you have a loving and emotionally mature person. Etong person na to, hindi siya masyadong madrama, hindi siya overacting, napaka-loving ng taong ito at napaka-caring niya. Two of Wands dito, maybe you try to explore and to plan to explore na magkasama kayong dalawa para ipadama mo rin sa kanya that you also love this person. Because nandito yung lovers, you are soulmate, you are meant for each other, you have those energies na kapag ka, ayan no, yung energy na yun, no, yung gold and yung green, nag-i-intertwine dun sa mga, sabi natin mga pillars na yan, and merong pentacles dito. So, ibig sabihin, this is for a long-lasting relationship. So, you will be reaching your goal of having a long-lasting relationship with this person. And try to explore with him. Travel kayong dalawa. Diba? Because this person is very loving and caring. mas magiging deep pa ang inyong connection because this person is your soulmate. Reaching your goal. Yan. The set C, have faith. The angels are working behind the scene to make this relationship flourish. Have faith lang daw. The Chariot, Seven of Wands, and the Fool. So yung the Fool dito signifies that parang ready ka na to take the risk, to start over again with your life. Na akala mo kasi itong person mo, wala na mangyayari pa sa connection ninyo. Pero Seven of Wands dito, meron. Your person will persevere to fight for you para ipaglaban ang inyong relasyon. And yung Chariot dito, ibig sabihin kung ano man yung nangyayaring challenges sa inyong relasyon, yung ups and downs na yan, mapapagtagumpayan ninyong dalawa. Kaya have faith. Ayan o, the angels are working behind the scene to make this relationship flourish. So, wag mo na mag-give up kung meron kayo nararanasan ngayong mga pagsubok sa inyong relasyon. Have faith. Dapat kapit kamay ninyong nilalagpasan yan, tinutugunan yan. Ito Seven of Wands, para ipaglaban ang inyong relasyon. Huwag yung parang dito na ready ka na to give up, ready ka na magsimula, ikaw lang mag-isa, 'di ba? Dapat you have to persevere and your person too para malagpasan ninyo any ups and downs sa inyong relationship. Okay, so ito po ang mga love messages para sa inyo for set A, B, and C. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day po. God bless.